You could hear the trees hitting the house. It was unbelievably loud. And then seconds later, it was silent. I felt terrified. I was trying to get all of the kids into a safe place.
My husband, being a light sleeper, woke up at 4:30 with a big boom. He ran outside and saw flames shooting out of the top of our house, so he said, "Oh my gosh, our house is on fire, call 911."
I could see through the trees a huge glow. The entire building from one end to the other was on fire. I started this business in the 1980s, and a lot of things that occurred over those 30 plus years were in the building. It was all there and it was all burning.
We were traveling through Central Florida. All of a sudden, this large bird takes off straight at us.
I didn't really see it until the bird hit the windshield.
That it flew off with the mirror on its head.
And then it was gone, and so was our mirror.
Erie Insurance called out and says, Erie will cover the cost of the mirror. The overnight shipping, next morning, they're on the road.
I immediately called Erie, and we had a crane in our driveway the very next day removing the trees from our property.
At 3 o'clock in the morning, we were able to talk to a person.
Our agent and his wife and their sons were over here helping us.
Anything that we had concerns about were addressed immediately. I felt at that moment like, yeah, everything's being taken care of.
Facilities for the employees are better than they were previously.
There was never a sense they were going to question putting the house back together in a better condition.
It was the best outcome possible.
Throughout this whole process, Erie's #1 priority was to make sure that our family was taken care of. Things may happen again. I don't have to worry. If anything happens, I know it's going to be taken care of. And that's a huge comfort.